In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho Mail to Google Calendar. So if you're using a Zoho Mail and want to sync it with Google Calendar, this tutorial will walk you through these steps. So I'll guide you on how to integrate your Zoho Mail account with a Google Calendar so you can manage your schedules more efficiently. So first, make sure you are on the official website of zohomail.com and already log in with your credentials. So now, click on the settings icon or the other app settings in the left side, and then click the calendar in here and wait for it to load up. So now, to add a Zoho calendar to Google Calendar, just simply open the Google Calendar on your web browser. So we'll look for these extensions and then we'll find the Google Calendar to double check in here. So we'll search it, Google Calendar. So as you can see in here, no extension available. Okay, now to settings, calendar, contacts. So unfortunately, I couldn't find the Google Calendar. So we'll try adding the Zoho Calendar to the main Google Calendar, just in case it doesn't support with Zoho Calendar. So assumingly we have an access to Google Calendar in here. So on the left sidebar on the official website of Google Calendar, you will see there the other calendars and then select from URL and then enter the Zoho Calendar CalDAV URL you copied earlier and then click add calendar to save the settings. And now to see Zoho Calendar's event in Google Calendar, wait a few minutes to synchronize the data, and then to sync Google Calendar events to Zoho Calendar, you may need a manually import or export events. And that's it. That's how you connect Zoho Mail to Google Calendar. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.